conduct the experiment. That experiment known as composite wall apparatus. First aim of the experiment, the aim of experiment is to determine the thermal conductivity of the composite wall apparatus. Next one is that apparatus requirement. The apparatus requirements, 6 discs are required, okay, for making the composite. This 6 discs should be having the different material. In this case, we are going to be using the 2 mild distilled disc and 2 backlight disc and 2 wooden disc. And this whatever the disc is there, it should be contained. Each disc should be contain a temperature indicator or thermocouples, so that to measure the temperature. And it should be required the power button to start the heating coil. And next one is that to know the different temperature, it required temperature indicator. And next one is that for knowing the voltage, we have to use the voltmeter, and for knowing the current, it required a ammeter, and for controlling the voltage, it's required the dimmer starter. Next one is that procedure. First we are going to be starting the power button. While starting up this one, we should be set the voltage. I am going to be setting this one as first 50 volts. After that it will get started heating up to that supplies the voltage to this disc. And we have to wait for the steady state. After that we have to take the reading. Next one is that here we are going to be using the 3 different material. These discs are there. At center it should be having the heating coil, and above below first layer of this one, it should be having the mild distilled material, and it should be contain a thermocouple for measuring the temperature. Next two is that the backlight materials above and below same distance, same thickness, and those two also contain the thermocouple for measuring the temperature. Next layer is that the wooden material layer is there, wooden disc is there above and below, and those also contain a temperature indicator. And while passing to voltage to this one, that voltage supplies or that voltage converted into heat energy, and this heat energy is supplied above and below. And after reaching the steady state, we have to take the reading. We started this one, and it become 34. So it is in the position of T1 and T2. That should be indicate the temperature before the first wall, and T3 and T4 it should be indicate the temperature after the first wall or temperature before the second wall. And T5 T6 that should be indicated temperature second wall or temperature before the third wall. And T7 and T8 it should be indicated temperature after the third wall. And we already given voltage to this one. The temperature it should be increases, and after that, after reaching steady state, we have to take the reading from T1 to T8. T1 first I am going to be taking the T1. It should be having the 34 degrees Celsius, and second T2 it should be having the again 34 degrees Celsius, and T3 34. Like this we have to be take up to T8. After that we have to bring again to in first position, T1 position, and after that while taking the second reading, we have to change the voltage. That voltage I am going to be giving this one as 100 voltage to this one by using the dimmer starter. We should be know that in a voltmeter that shows that the voltage given to this one. And after that we have to be take the reading, and by using the formula we are going to be calculating the thermal conductivity of the metal composite wall. And the practical application of this experiment is that in a furnace, in the industry, it should be having the furnace, and we want inside the furnace at very high temperature, and outside the furnace it should be